Why do high-voltage transmission lines emit a faint blue light and a buzzing sound at night? This magical phenomenon is due to the corona effect. Under high voltage, the air around the conductor is ionized, producing visible light and noise. The corona effect is a common problem in high-voltage transmission lines. When the voltage is high enough, the air around the conductor will be ionized to form plasma, which not only causes energy loss, but also may cause radio interference. However, the impact of the corona effect can be reduced by properly designing the shape and surface smoothness of the conductor. The corona effect is not only a problem that power engineers need to face, it also has important applications in some electronic devices. For example, in electrostatic precipitators, the corona effect is used to capture tiny particles in the air. Corona discharge is generated by applying a high voltage between electrodes, causing the particles to be charged and collected on the electrodes.